Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. We're going to shave testing something a little bit special today. They're not uncommon. It's the maker that is quite special. From the master grinder, Mr. ERN Solingen, the original founder of ERN. So I'm just lathering up here with my raw soap, red, excellent shaving soap, highly recommended. Alright, that'll do. So, it's not the original case, different case, but it does the job. This is the Famous, if I can get it out of the box, Famous ES Ese. Nice clean good condition. There's a few scratches on it where I've had to grind away some of the pitting. There's still a little blemish around there, but the thing is, if I take that off, it'll just grind away all the lettering where it says the Famous ES. So this is made by probably one of the best grinders, hollow grinders in Germany. The founder of the company, Mr. ERN, Mr. Ern. So this should be a very comfortable shave. Oh yeah, nice and easy. I should have done this video last Friday. Or even Saturday, and today is Tuesday, so I've got a full 7-day set of whiskey here. Yeah, last week was just a bit of a blur. I got this, just recovered from a flu virus in July. And now it hit me again, but this time it put me in bed for 3 days. Well, I'm not the most patient of patients, shall we say, lying in bed all day trying to keep still. It's a bit boring. It was a proper man flu. Sweats. You got to keep really still, otherwise if you start moving around, you start breaking out in a sweat. Anyway, the guys here, all my friends were quite supportive. But last week was just a real bit of a blur really. I don't know what was going on half of the time. I sort of lose track of the days. And one of the guys sent me a nurse to make sure that I was hydrated and properly there, you know, and it was on the second day, on the Wednesday, Thursday, and I thought I was dreaming. Because I sort of opened my eyes and there was a nurse stood there. She says, "I brought you some falling down water, Mr. Hawcroft." I said, "Falling down water?" "What do you mean, falling down water?" He says, "Falling down water, Mr. Hawcroft." I finished it. Took me 3 days, but I finished it. She was a nice nurse as well, and I think the NHS has improved the nurses' uniforms tremendously. There used to be right old-fashioned matron things, you know, but these days, you know, it's quite modern. Oh yeah, it's a real smooth shave of this. Yeah, I got these sores here, like cold sores, and they've split and... Oh. Where was I? Oh yeah, that was it, the uniforms. Nurses' uniforms these days, completely different from what I was used to. I mean, unfortunately I don't see that many nurses, they're quite healthy, normally. But she had the head blonde, got the lady, and she had the usual white band with the red cross on it. But the uniform, pale blue uniform, is quite well tailored. A bit short, I must say. When she sat on the edge of the bed, you could see the skirt riding up, and the quite short really. You could see tops of her legs, the fleshy part of her thighs. And I said to her, "Well, nurses wear white fishnet stockings these days." And she said, "Oh yes, it's quite standard procedure." I said, "All right." And also, I noticed that when she got up to go in the kitchen and get a cup of tea, she had an upgrade from a normal nurse's shoes. She must have been quite a popular nurse, you know, because she's been upgraded to bright red stiletto high heels. So that's the shave test over with for its nice ERN. Well, it's ES actually. There we go. Very nice and clean. Very smooth shaver. So I've finished most of my restoration work now for got quite a few days, couple of weeks, unless any other restoration work comes in. So I'll have the benefits of using my own razors for a change. So thanks very much for watching, and thanks to all the chaps that was looking after me last week. Thank you to the nurse for the falling down water. Very nice visit that. And I'll catch up with you sometime in the near future. Bye for now.